Hello guys, so this is my voice without using crisp and I only use a mic na tagto 250 pesos. And as you can see, medyo may narinig kayong mga ingay and I will try to play some music on the TikTok. So wait, eto.
Five po in order ko. Sana matagalan para next year.
So ayan,
Ulit. Yes po.
yan guys, and as you can see, rinig na rinig talaga siya. Pero if we click the mic na etong crisp, yan, nabawasan naman siya. Wait guys. So, ayun, nabawasan naman siya. Di siya tulad ng kanina na sobrang lakas. And, ayun lang guys. And, if you want to avail this guys, just PM this page. Eto. PM nyo lang yan. And, pwede kayong i-click nyo lang yung how to avail Chris. And, there will be a message na photo na rocket PHPDS. So, click nyo lang yan and mapupunta kayo dito. And click nyo lang tong Chris Lifetime Access. Then, ayan, after payment is done, yung link is ma-receive nyo through email. So, instant na po yan, guys. So, ayun lang guys, and hopefully nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, and please let me know if you have other na gustong bilhin, like Netflix or Adobe Crack, Photoshop, Windows Office, CapCut, and many more guys. So, ayun. Bye.